P.A. Yeoman's second grazing property he developed is called Nivellen, nearby to Yobarni on the outskirts of Sydney, Australia. Here, you can see both the integration of farm ponds for irrigation and belts of trees, which were planted and also left in that pattern when the land was cleared. Trees provided many functions in Yeoman's farm designs, as wind protection and shelter for livestock, as timber yields, for soil stability through erosion control, and as wildlife habitat and mulch production. The spacing of the trees is such that the height of the top of one row is at the elevation of the bottom of the next row, so the tree belts form a continuous break to drying winds, keeping the soils hydrated for longer and sheltering crops and animals. Just as on Yobarni, off-contour diversion drains collect water from the entire landscape and concentrate it in reservoirs. You can see that the tree belts follow these water flow lines. The reservoir on the ridge has water diverted into it from storm water that runs off of the homestead area that sits atop the ridge. It is also filled by pumping water from the low pond along the creek. The water's then released by gravity to flood irrigate the land below each reservoir through irrigation canals. More contemporary keyline designs do not use flood irrigation, as you must be quite water-rich to afford that. Today, water from keyline reservoirs is used to supply pressurized irrigation systems like drip lines or sprinklers. The same principles of storing water high in the landscape apply for gravity distribution of water, whether it's flood or drip or sprinklers.